Nagtuon sila mahitungod sa structure sa pagkapuro sa usa ka butang.
Any particular protein has is like different. How can I put it? It's like it's like they are made up of specific amino acids.
Amino acids.
Amino acids, no amino acids, yeah. So it's like CGAT or something like that. So if just one amino acid is missing
Kung
from a chain, that protein will not form.
katong protein ang kasagaran na itong gustong makuha, kung naay usa makulang, di na siya makompleto.
When that happens, it means that the body cannot work properly.
Kung na siya mahitabo, nagpasabot na dili mabuhat ang atong lawas.
It is called the all or none principle.
Mo gitawag na all or none principle.
It is either you have all the amino acids in the chain,
Pwede sad na kaniwang tanang amino acids,
or that protein will not form.
kung dili ka na nga protein, dili na siya mabuhat simulawas.
To be somebody who is a killer,
Kinahanglan na mahimo kang usa ka kailan.
your life must operate on the all or none principle.
Na ang atong kinabuhi, kinahanglan mo operate sa all or none principle.
Listen, if
Maminaw.
God is not what you're all,
Kung dili ang Ginoo imuhang katibukan,
He needs none of you.
dili na kaniya kinahanglan.
Let me explain again.
Ako ang i-explain og maayo.
If you can't give God your all,
Kung dili mo mahatag sa Ginoo ang imuhang katibukan,
your best,
ang pinakakamaayo nimo,
keep everything to yourself.
tapigin na lang na sa imuhang kaugalingon.
Because you just be cheating yourself.
Kay imuhang ang gihilan imuhang kaugalingon.
God expects us to love Him with all of our hearts,
Kay expectar ta sa Ginoo nga higugmaw na sa
All of us,
Ginoo to kasing-kasing ka lang
with all of our might.
sa tibuok natong kusog.
Tell me, after you've done all those things, what is left?
So dili ko kung magbuhat na lang imo tanan usa may mabili nimo.
God expects everything, all of you.
Kay expectar gyud tang tanan sa Ginoo nga tanan
And
ato
that was
katibukan.
what Caleb demonstrated.
Kung mauna ang gibuhat ni Caleb,
God's word must mean everything to you
nga ang Ginoo dapat dako kayo siya ka importante kanato.